In recent times, many people have embraced bicycles not only for commuting to work but also for staying active and enjoying recreational activities. Due to this growing popularity, numerous companies have developed innovative accessories and gadgets to enhance the cycling experience. In today's video, we're going to show you the 10 coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories that will make your rides even more enjoyable. So without further ado, let's get started. Stompump. The Stompump is a unique foot pump designed for cyclists seeking a compact and easy-to-use solution for inflating bike tires. This lightweight, under half a pound and ultra-portable pump utilizes your legs for power, making inflation faster and less tiring than traditional hand pumps. Despite its size, the Stompump packs a punch with a large piston design that moves more air with each stomp. An integrated filter protects the pump's internals, and it's compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves. While its maximum pressure of 60 psi may not be ideal for road bike tires requiring very high pressure, it's perfect for topping off most bicycle tires on the go. The Stompump also includes a frame dock for easy mounting on your bike and boasts a built-in storage compartment for essentials like tire patches. FALCON XRV MIPS. The Bell FALCON XRV MIPS is a versatile bike helmet designed for road cycling, gravel riding, and even commuting. It offers deep road protection with a MIPS liner for rotational impact mitigation in certain crashes. This MIPS technology adds to the safety features alongside a slim, well-ventilated design. For comfort, the XRV MIPS boasts a fidlock buckle for easy one-handed operation, Ionic Plus antimicrobial padding to combat sweat, and a removable visor for sun protection. An integrated Blackburn grid cob tail light enhances visibility on the road, making this helmet a feature-packed option for various cycling disciplines at a competitive price point. MEILAN X5. The MEILAN X5 is a smart bike taillight, prioritizing both safety and visibility for cyclists. Equipped with 30 ultra-bright LEDs, it blasts a powerful 85 lumens red beam visible from up to 1,000 meters. Safety features include a wireless remote control for easy operation of 6 lighting modes, including steady, flashing, and turn signals. The highlight is an automatic brake light that increases intensity when braking to alert following vehicles. Adding another layer of safety, the X5 projects virtual ground lasers to create a visible cycling lane, while its built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 8 hours of illumination on a single charge. This feature-rich tail light keeps you seen and safe on your rides. BARRAGE Freight. Chrome Industries' BARRAGE Freight Backpack is a heavy-duty hauler built for cyclists, commuters, and anyone needing a tough and versatile bag. With a spacious 34-38-liter capacity that expands with a roll-top closure, it can swallow your gear and more. The weather-resistant, welded tarp liner keeps your belongings dry, while the external cargo net with adjustable straps lets you secure bulky items like helmets or shoes. Comfort is key during long hauls, so the BARRAGE Freight boasts ergonomic shoulder straps and a molded back panel for support and breathability. This backpack is a true workhorse, ready to tackle anything you throw at it, from daily commutes to epic adventures. Smarthalo II. The Smarthalo II is a minimalist revamp of the original award-winning smart bike device. This lightweight attachment, crafted from titanium and carbon fiber, packs a punch with features like turn-by-turn navigation displayed through innovative LED lights. Forget glancing down at your phone, the Smarthalo II's intuitive light sequence guides you on your ride. It also boasts an anti-theft alarm, automatic light for nighttime rides, and fitness tracking capabilities. While some users reported occasional glitches with touch controls, the Smarthalo II remains a popular choice for cyclists seeking a sleek and feature-rich way to enhance their rides. Winglights 360. The Winglights 360 are bicycle and e-scooter turn signals designed to boost your visibility and safety on the road. These handlebar-mounted lights come in two versions, fixed or magnetic for attachment. Both offer high visibility, flashing amber indicators for clear signaling and a permanent position light function with a white front and red rear LED for better visibility in low light conditions. The Winglights 360 are built tough with a waterproof and shockproof design and are USB rechargeable with a long battery life. They're easy to use with a single button for activation, making them a great choice for cyclists and e-scooter riders who prioritize safety and want to be seen clearly by motorists. Nano First Aid Kit. A Nano First Aid Kit is a compact and lightweight first aid kit designed for portability. It's ideal for activities where space is limited, such as cycling, running, hiking, or everyday carry. They typically contain basic supplies to treat minor injuries you might encounter during those activities, such as scrapes, blisters, cuts, insect bites, and basic wound care. Some popular brands include Life Systems, Sol, and Adventure Medical Kits. These kits often feature a waterproof inner bag and lightweight fabrics to keep contents dry and organized. While the specific contents vary by brand and model, some common items you might find include adhesive bandages in various sizes, antiseptic wipes, wound closure strips, safety pins, pain relievers, and possibly some basic tools like tweezers or an emergency whistle. Lumos Ultra. The Lumos Ultra is a popular smart bike helmet known for its integrated LED lighting system, enhancing your visibility and safety during rides. It features a sleek design with a built-in front light and rear brake light, along with customizable turn signals operated through the Lumos companion app. This app lets you personalize lighting patterns, check battery life, and even track your rides. The Lumos Ultra boasts a comfortable and secure fit with MIPS technology for added impact protection in certain crashes. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 10 hours and various lighting modes, this helmet is a great choice for cyclists who prioritize safety, style, and smart features. Bolle C-Shifter. The Bolle C-Shifter is a pair of performance sunglasses designed for cycling and other high-action sports. It features a cylindrical, half-rimmed frame made from Grilamid TR90, a lightweight and durable nylon known for its flexibility and resistance to fatigue. This design provides excellent ventilation and a wide field of view, keeping your vision clear and comfortable during intense activities. C-Shifter sunglasses come with various lens options, including the high-contrast Volt Plus lens originally developed for snow sports. These sunglasses are a great choice for cycling as they enhance color and depth perception, allowing you to see obstacles and terrain details more clearly. The glasses also boast an adjustable nosepiece for a personalized fit and anti-fog and oleo coatings to prevent misting and repel sweat and grime. Gran Tourer II. The Gran Tourer II refers specifically to a gravel cycling shoe by the brand Quok. This high-performance shoe caters to cyclists who tackle rough terrain. It builds upon the success of the original Gran Tourer Lace, incorporating a stiffer sole for better power transfer and enhanced pedaling efficiency. The closure system utilizes a micro-adjustable single dial for a snug, comfortable fit, replacing the laces of the previous model. Despite its stiffness, the shoe prioritizes comfort with a supple upper that hugs your foot and vibration-absorbing insoles to reduce fatigue on long rides. That's all about the 10 coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please feel free to share it with your friends or anyone else who might be interested in this topic. Additionally, if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.